calls for greater effort and productivity, though, must be matched by an increase in leisure facilities. The government was the first to acknowledge that competitive sports help breed a healthier society. The newest stadium in Mogadishu holds 30,000 spectators and has already been host to a number of African international sports events. Sports also breed a healthy sense of regional pride, as the increasing number of national competition fixtures testify. Throughout the country, new stadia are being built.
Thank you.